Yummy. I think it's good. I'm in favor of it. I hope you try this recipe. Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this is a coffee cat recipe for the Starbucks Latte Oleato. Oleato means just with olive oil. So you can make any recipe you like with olive oil, and it'll have the same effect. But my favorite is a latte. That's why I'm making a latte oleato. The ingredients for this are really basic. Half a cup of water, 3 tablespoons ground coffee, your favorite espresso blend of course, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a cup of milk, and whatever you tell the barista, maybe you want it oat milk, maybe you want it low fat. I use whole milk, but you be your own barista and save your $6. You know what I mean. And I like sugar, so I'm adding sugar, but the sugar's optional. I'm making mine with the most inexpensive equipment, which is a cheap stovetop espresso maker, a whisker for the milk, and a cup, of course. You need a vessel. Unscrew your stovetop espresso maker. Out comes the basket. In goes half a cup of water. Pack in goes the basket, and in goes 3 tablespoons of finely ground, espresso ground coffee. Whatever your favorite is just fine. Give it a shake to level it out. On goes the top, and screw it on. Put it on the stove and turn your burner on to high. And now with your half cup of milk, I'm sticking it in the microwave. And I'm turning that on the microwave for 1 minute. Done, chum. That's hot. And this video is sponsored by Fetch, where I get all kinds of rewards and savings. Fetch is an app where you can earn points that you can redeem for gift cards for just scanning your receipts. So you just download the app and you can redeem those gift cards on purchases at your favorite stores. I just went grocery shopping and I got all these things I needed. So now let's fetch the receipt. Press snap and you line up the top of your receipt edge. It tells you where to put the receipt. I got it. Okay, I'm gonna take the picture. And it wants the rest of the receipt. This is a long receipt, so I might need to do a few. And now more of the receipt and the last of the receipt. And now I submit. It was a Vons receipt of about $68. I got 1,384 points for that one. And it tells me where I get my points from. I got it from my Sargento product, the Sargento cheese, my mayonnaise, my soups, my English muffins, my Tostitos chips, and the salsas. I got a whole lot of points for that one shopping trip. I already have 2,400 points. What sets Fetch apart from many other reward apps is you can even use digital receipts. I buy a ton of products from Amazon, and I can use all my Amazon purchases too. Fetch is a legitimate shopping app that awards users with the free gift cards just for uploading your receipts. And in only 2 minutes, your espresso is going to be ready. The white stuff is the creme on top. That's where all the coffee oils are. That's the most flavorful part of your espresso. Oh, that's done. Off it goes. Don't ever take a text while this is on the stove, because it can burn, because you could forget about it. I've done it before. So we're gonna froth our milk. These whiskers are the best. I get the cheapest ones I can, and let me tell you, they last about a year. I cannot live without a whisker. So in goes the espresso, and in goes the milk with the froth on top. And now I'm adding the 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Oh yeah. And a little sugar. It smells the same as a normal latte. Let me stir it up and try it. I think it's good. I'm in favor of it. I hope you try this recipe. Click the link below and get Fetch. It's the most amazing app. It's gonna save you a lot of money. You'll have a lot of fun with it too. I'm Rebecca Brand. I hope you like this video. Please make a comment and tell me what you think about the olive oil lattes. I mean, the olive oil is really only adding an extra 120 calories for 1 tablespoon of that extra virgin olive oil. I think that's really good. The flavor's good. It's probably gonna give it a little richer taste for you when you try it at home. Yummy. And by making it at home. The total calorie count is under 200 calories, and by making it at home, you're gonna save yourself $6 because this whole recipe is a 60-cent recipe. Cheers. I'm gonna have a little coffee break now. Subscribe to my channel, ring the bell to get notified next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is coffee. You know, because you might need a little get up and go in the morning, like apparently I do. It's a yum. If you like this video, here's some more over there, including my caffeine addiction. You gotta watch that.